Have you ever heard of NAD+? It's this incredible molecule that has been gaining a lot of attention in the scientific community for its potential to slow down the aging process and promote longevity. I mean, who wouldn't want to live a longer, healthier life, right? So what exactly is NAD+? Well, it stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and it plays a crucial role in our cells' energy production. As we age, our levels of NAD+ naturally decline, which can lead to a whole host of health issues. But here's the exciting part. Researchers have found that by boosting NAD+ levels, we may be able to reverse some of the effects of aging. One of the key benefits of NAD+ is its ability to repair damaged DNA. As we age, our DNA becomes more prone to mutations, which can increase our risk of developing diseases like cancer. By increasing NAD+ levels, we can help our cells repair this damage more efficiently, reducing our risk of age-related diseases. But that's not all. NAD+ also plays a crucial role in regulating our metabolism and promoting healthy cellular function. By boosting NAD+ levels, we can improve our energy levels, enhance our cognitive function, and even support our immune system. And here's the really exciting part. There are now supplements available that can help increase NAD+ levels in our bodies. By taking these supplements, we may be able to slow down the aging process, improve our overall health, and potentially even extend our lifespan. So if you're looking to live a longer, healthier life, it might be worth looking into the benefits of NAD+. Who knows? It could be the key to unlocking a longer, healthier, and more vibrant future.